And that's a wrap. All the hard work is done. Let me show you the finished product. So while I was editing all of that video, I was also in the process of doing my living room floors. Let me show you how they turned out because I didn't video the whole thing there. And here they are. Much bigger space, a lot more glue, a lot more tack, but I still managed to get it done in about 2 days. It was a lot of work and I had a lot of help. There it is. Thank you so much for joining us and watching the painting concrete videos. I can't wait to show you what's next. Stay tuned.